In this video, I'm going to show you edit image functionality within Microsoft Edge. So I'm in the Microsoft Edge browser. So I'm in Microsoft site and I can see a lot of text content and image content in the website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a right click and select edit image. So what it does is it selects the image from this page and opens it in an editor within Microsoft Edge, and then you can manipulate those image. So if you see the image in the back end, this was the image. Okay, so you can do a lot of things with this. So first thing, you can do a crop. So if you want to crop the image, you can do that. Okay, second thing, the crop has a lot of other functionality. Like say you can select the template as original, square, okay, 916, 16, 9, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. So you can set up those different form factor. And once you're done with it, you can click on done. Now, that's about crop. You can even adjust the image. So you can set the brightness, you can set the exposure, you can set the contrast, set up some highlights, shadows, vignette, saturation, warmth, and you can set a tint as well. Then there is another setting called as filtering. So you can filter the image. So you have various templates available like punch, golden, warm contrast, vivid, cool, burn, film, and vintage. Okay, so if I click on burn, then I can set the intensity within that template. Okay, then I can put some markup around the image. So if I want to write something, okay, on the image with a pen, then I can do that. Okay, so let me write something here, and even I can select the pencil, pen with the sharp tip, and then I can even draft those. I can even select a highlighter and I can highlight those things. If I want to erase something, I can pick up an eraser and then I can erase it. And if I want to clear all the ink strokes, I can do that by a click of a button. Okay, so let me put something. Now, once you're done with it, you can either save it in a clipboard, like copy to clipboard, or you just click on save. The moment you click on save, it will download that image, and then you can utilize those image for your application. Okay, provided you have all the copyright, you have all the licenses to use those images. Okay, so I have this image downloaded, right? Now if you see the size of the image, if I go to info, it is 1920 by 600. So that's the image which has been downloaded from the website. Now, if I want to reset it from start, I can do all reset. Then it will remove all the edits made to this image, and then I can start from scratch. Okay, editing this image. So this is how you basically edit the image in Microsoft Edge. So I'll close this. Now, if you go to a different site, so iPhone 15, okay, so this is apple.com. Now see what happens. Okay, this is an image. Okay, same thing you're gonna do. You're gonna just do a right click. Okay, and you're gonna say edit image. Now see what happens. Here you see a different image. It's not that same image. So sometimes based on the scripting and based on the design of the website, you need to be very careful. Okay. Now what you see is you may not get while editing this image. Okay. So if I click here, see it's written Eureka Grove, and if I click on edit image, it is something else. Okay. So you just need to make sure that it is all correct, and then you can play around with this image. Now the other thing what you can do is like you can flip the image horizontally, flip the image vertically, you can rotate counterclockwise, clockwise, and all those things, and you can even put some rotation around it. Okay, so you can play around with this functionality as well. So let me close this. Now again, I'm in MacBook site, so I can even pick up any image. Okay, so take for example this image. I can do a right click and then I click on edit image. Now, if you see this icon, this is the visual search image icon. So if you find this, then yes, that's an image, and you can edit this uh, image in your browser. Now, sometimes I've seen like in the website, you may find like a video in the background. So if I click or right click on this, I don't see that edit image functionality. So that means either it is like a GIF or any animation which is playing around, and that's the whole reason. So if you open any new website, you can see that there is an image in the background. So I can again do a right click, but if you see here, I don't see that image as listed in the background. Okay, that's a bit of shadow on top of it, so that's why I'm not able to see that image. Okay, now if I just scroll down, I can see there are other images like here, and I can do a right click and then I can click on edit image. So it all depends on how the website is designed, how the website is structured, and what runs in the background. So this functionality may or may not work completely based on what is there in the website design in the backend, but most of the time it should work. You should be able to edit the image, and you can do other image manipulation like cropping, adjustment, filtering, marking up, rotating, and flipping horizontally and vertically. So that's it, folks. This is how you basically use edit image functionality within Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.